Hey guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. We're in South Dakota. Here's the Badlands. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, you guys, we are here. We're in the Black Hills of South Dakota, Custer State Park. Look at this, beautiful. Oh my gosh, and it's cooler, almost a little bit chilly. You know, after leaving 100 degrees down there in western Nebraska. Yeah. So beautiful campground. We are at what's the name of this campground?
Center Lake.
Center Lake State Park. But you know what it's you know what it's time for? Well, we were in Nebraska almost a month. We didn't expect to find so many things to film, and loved visiting with family. But we've left Nebraska, so it's time for the sticker ceremony. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, drum roll, please. All right. Yes. Another steep knocked off, and that was a healthy one too. So yeah, you guys, for those of you that don't know, our criteria for putting a sticker on a state is at least 3 consecutive nights in said state. So we're not just passing through.
Exploring, not just sitting there.
Yeah, we're at least 3 nights, consecutive nights, unhooked, and we're exploring with bear or whatever we're doing. We're exploring. Doesn't have to be with bear, but anyway. Okay, we're going to show you some Custer State Park and the Black Hills. Okay, you guys, we are headed out on our first day of exploring. Look at this beautiful, beautiful day. We're gonna take the Needles Highway and see Sylvan Lake, and we'll show you some of that. Hang on.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Okay, but we've been looking for this, the Needles Eye. Right there.
Oh.
Slow down, Grandpa. Needles Highway. Got the Needles Eye Tunnel over there, which I'll show you a video picture of, sneaking through there. One rock formation offers millions of stories. Boy, it's been so long since I've been here. I forgot how beautiful it was. How rugged and jagged and twisty, narrow road.
It's mica. That's what it's called, mica.
Just that is the eye of a needle, isn't it? Okay, my friends, our friends. This is Sylvan Lake. One of the most beautiful lakes I've ever been to. Yeah, we can get over here, we'll show you more of it.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh,
Okay, guys, that is beautiful. Now we're in Custer. We're in Custer, South Dakota. Get some lunch here. Then I think we're gonna go up to Crazy Horse Monument. But Custer's got all these bulls or buffaloes, bison.
Bison. They have the painted bison.
Almost every corner. Check out our Instagram page because I'm sure Lisa will get a lot of pictures of those. Maybe.
1881
not.
courthouse.
Yeah, just check it out. There'll be something cool on there. Okay, we were at the Burger and Bun in Custer. It looks pretty good. Burger and Bun Company, BHB's. Cute little place. And
Got some craft beer in here.
they have buffalo. So I'm getting a buffalo burger. And we think Lisa's getting
Regular beef burger for the first time.
So we'll show you the burgers. Okay, what'd you get?
It was the blue cheese, bacon, and grilled onions.
And this is the buffalo burger. They call it the Hot Granny Buffalo Burger. It's got bacon,
The cream cheese, jalapenos, bacon on yours, and some.
yeah. So we'll let you know how they are. Okay, that was good. That's a highly recommend. That buffalo. I've had buffalo before.
Oh,
and
it was very good. I just took a bite of Jay's and I was surprised. It was delicious, and they cooked it really well. I mean, it was juicy, it had a lot of flavor with everything else on it.
Yeah, but this is where we're at. Burger and Bun Company. Yeah, okay, you guys. So there is Crazy Horse right there. Might have to zoom into your phone, or hopefully maybe you got a big screen TV. But from here it doesn't look like it's hardly any farther than it was 25 years ago when I was here, and you didn't have to pay to go drive by it. Now it's $30 a car. Got the three check-in. We're not gonna pay $30 a car. And so anyway, that's Crazy Horse. Okay, you guys, we got some pronghorns here, right by the side of the road. Little cute baby ones. All right, our first real wildlife sighting.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
So what do you think about this? What do you think?
This is really a beautiful place. It's just kind of crazy. It's amazing at these rocks. You just can imagine what the earth was doing when it was pushing all these rocks up.
Yeah,
The struggle, the anger, and just going up. Anyway, and it's turned into something beautiful.
What about the past year's journey, that adventure?
Since we started on our new trip,
Yeah.
new journey,
Yeah.
yeah, we've
Well,
had
no.
some.
Yeah, this whole past year.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we've had some great adventures. We've seen some things I never thought we would see. Some beautiful stuff. Yeah.
So you want to continue?
Well, of course.
Cool.
I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't want to continue. It just, this just shows me that there's so much out there that I haven't seen, and there's so much out there that's worth seeing.
So
the
like
beauty of it.
maybe the rest of our lives.
As long as I'm able.
Okay. Will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you.
Great.
Loving this
You
moment.
shut.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
That's what you had planned?
Can we stay here forever?
No, I've been waiting for the perfect location.
This is definitely a perfect location. Nope, we should get on the road up.
Stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay
Boy,
here
I
together?
can't believe I was nervous.
If I could stop the time,
I was nervous.
Oh, nervous.
Yeah.
would, 'cause I'm
Anyway,
just loving
best is yet to come.
this moment. Can we stay here